Basically, there is no difference between split and window ACs. Inner and outdoor parts of window AC are indoor and outdoor units of split AC. Indoor and outdoor units are connected by two copper lines filled with refrigerant either in liquid or gas form. Refrigerant is the only thing that moves between the units. Under high pressure, its temperature increases. On release of pressure, it turns into a very cold liquid. The cold liquid passes to the indoor unit, absorbs heat from inside air and moves to outdoor unit and transmits the heat to outside air. Refrigerant is the lifeline of the system. It's a gas which can be compressed to high temperature and pressure can be reduced easily to make it very cold. In line with temperature of refrigerant, hot outside portion is depicted in red and cold inside portion in blue. Compressor compresses the refrigerant gas and increases its pressure and temperature. Condenser. These are copper coiled tubings. High pressure, high temperature gas from compressor comes to condenser, loses heat and converts to liquid. Condenser cooling fan is an ordinary fan, rotates over the condenser and cools the refrigerant. The heat is thrown to the open space. Expansion valve is a copper capillary tubing. Pressure is reduced here, which results in reduction in temperature. The liquid from condenser turns into a very cold refrigerant ready to cool. Evaporator. Very cold refrigerant liquid from expansion valve enters copper coil tubings, absorbs heat from room, converts into medium temperature gas and passes on to compressor for continuation of cycle. Evaporator cooling fan draws hot room air, rotates over cooling coil and blows cold air back to the room. Air filter removes dirt particles from room air and supplies clean air to room. Drain pipe removes water drops formed due to condensation of water vapor present in room air. The working is based on two laws of physics. First is Gay-Lussac's law, which states that pressure is proportional to temperature. Compressor pressure makes the refrigerant hot. Reduction of pressure at expansion valve makes it cold and enables it cool the room. Second is law of thermodynamics, which states that heat flows from hotter to colder bodies naturally. Hot gas from compressor transfers heat to colder air outside. Hot room air transfers heat to colder refrigerant in evaporator. Medium temperature low pressure gas from evaporator comes to compressor and is subjected to high pressure, which raises its temperature in terms of Gay-Lussac's law. It needs to be compressed so that the temperature can be raised to a level higher than that of outside air to enable it transmit the heat to the colder air in terms of second law of thermodynamics. The high temperature and high pressure gas passes on to condenser where it loses heat and turns to low temperature high pressure liquid. The low temperature high pressure liquid goes to expansion valve where pressure is reduced so that the refrigerant's temperature also reduces and it becomes a very cold low pressure liquid. The cold low pressure liquid passes on to evaporator, absorbs heat from hotter room air and turns to medium temperature low pressure gas, which passes on to compressor for continuation of the cycle till the desired room temperature is achieved.